Okay, we're going to look at a few things here. M-Series bows, which are here. Let me see if I can see all that in the camera. Yep. Maybe just a little bit that way. Good. I don't have any patterns to go off of for the correct World War II top bows. Original M-Series bows are 75 3/4 inches long. I've done this before, so I had to fit the uprights, the bow corners, get things screwed together, and then I had to cut one of them down to 58 inches. Now that may be an inch too long, 75 3/4. But the fit is snug when I slide the bow corners down into into the stake pockets, the stanchions. So I'm liking that, and so I'm just gonna write that down, 58 inches, and here's my cutoff end, and then I already drilled the holes. So we're going to copy the same thing right now, and we'll do this in one shot. "58 inches. Draw our cut line with the Carpenter's Speed Square. Neighbors down the street are moving, so they're having a yard sale today. Okay, here we go. I think this hardwood is ash. It's a pretty nice color. All right, now we're going to go in. See if I can get this tripod right. Lots of wiggling going on. Oh, I'm out. Gotta mark where the holes are going to go. I just sharpened this drill bit too. Perfect. Okay, be right back. All right, I'm just about to drill the last top bow, And I wasn't having much luck on the drill press. Too unstable, everything moved around, so I'm going to opt for a guide. That works a lot better. I got the idea to do it this way, I should say, after the second one. And just makes sense. It's easier. And sometimes I'm a little bit more accurate doing things by hand than mostly by machine. Be right back. Alright, so I have these last two bow corners, but I'm going to have to use these self-locking nuts. Let's see if we can capture that. There are 3 little dimples on the back side that will help grab the screw. These 4 captive nuts are gone, and these are M-series bows. Now you can really tell, instead of a sharp corner on the triangle, it's rounded. And plus, it has this little locking arm. And what that's for is on some of the bows, when you insert the bow. Let me grab an end here. When we insert the bow into the corner, oh man, it'll fit into this one if I can get the nut off. There we go. Alright, when we put the bow into the corner, on the M-series, there's a rivet right there that the arm locks into. Helps hold everything together. I have plenty more bow corners, and I'm just going to use these for an interim until I get the others sandblasted and painted. Right. Now she's starting to look like a military vehicle. Proper military vehicle. I'm going to be looking for an M35A2 canvas cargo curtain set. The later models were vinyl. Of course I'm going to have canvas, but I can put the vinyl top on with the front and rear curtains, hang them in the wintertime, and that'll help protect all the wood in the bed. So that's it for this video. It was a pretty easy task. Looks like all the bows are at the same arch, and Not too hard to do. Alright, that wraps this video. Thanks for watching my video. Later.